Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a question on refraction by lens. I'm very sorry about the sounds at the background. The frogs near my bog are making that noise. Okay, and that croaking of sound makes me remember of the poem The Frog and the Nightingale by Vikram Seth. Have you read that? You should read it if you didn't. That's a very good poem. So let's concentrate on this question here. A coin of height 1.3 centimeters is placed. Coin of height 1.3 centimeters is placed at 1.5 centimeters in front of a diverging lens. An upright virtual image of height. What is the height of the image? 0.8. Remember, that's a diverging lens written already there, and the image is upright. Upright means erect. Upright means erect. Okay, that's another word for erect. Upright. Virtual is of height 0.8 centimeters noticed on the same side of the lens as the coin. What is the focal length of the coin? So which is the diverging lens? Diverging lens. Which lens is that? This lens is concave lens. So I want to find, or we are supposed to find the focal length for this concave lens or diverging lens. So let's write what are the things given to us. Height of the coin is h1. I am writing it as height of the coin h1, 1.3 centimeters. So height of the object I always write it as h1, and it is placed in front of the lens. So u is equal to minus 1.5 centimeters on the left side. Remember conventions on the left side. The object distance is always negative. Then what is the height of the image? Height of the image I always write it as h2. h2 is equal to 0.8 centimeters. Remember, it is upright, right, above the principal axis. This is the object, this is the image. Both are upright. Hence, above the principal axis, both are positive. Then we need to find out the focal length. Focal length V not given. Focal length, yes. This is what we have to find. We don't want V. So can we find out the focal length of this lens? Can we do it? So how to approach this question? How to approach this question? Simple. So we only know only two formulae, right? In 10th class there are only two formulae. Number one, formula of lens. What is the formula for lens? Lens formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, and the magnification formula m is equal to h2 by h1, and in terms of object and image distance v by u. Okay, magnification, remember, it is a comparison of the image size to the object. So numerator is always image, either height of the image or the distance of the image. Okay, so we will use this first. We are going to use this first. So let us put the values. h2 by h1, shall I do it here? h2 by h1 is equal to v by u. So what is the value of h2? h2 0.8. What is the value of h1? 1.3 is equal to v by u. Don't put the value of u now. Okay, we'll put it at the end. So cross multiply, no need to take u that side. So you'll get v is equal to 0.8 by 1.3 into u, right? U multiplies now. Can I write this v as 8 by 13 u? So this is our relation. This is our relation. U is equal to 8.8 by 13 u. Now let us use the lens formula. Let's use the lens formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v. What is the value of v? 8 by 13, right? 8 This means 8 by 13 u means 8u by 13. So 8u by 13. Yeah, remember I want 1 by v. V is 8 by 13. So 1 by v will be 13 by 8u. So that's what I wrote there, 13 by 8u. Minus 1 by u. U value is u. So LCM, we want a common denominator. LCM 8u. So 13 ones are 13 and minus 8. 5 by 8 u. So focus 1 by f is remember 5 by 8 u. Remember this is 1 by f. Okay, students, just do what? Write this as focal length. No, it is not focal length. It is 1 by focal length. So what is the value of focal length? Focal length is equal to, take the reciprocal. Okay, take the reciprocal. See there, I have made a mistake. U is in the denominator. U is in the denominator. 8u by 5. So f is equal to 8. Now put the value of u. What's the value of u? Minus 1.5 centimeters. Everything is in centimeters. Divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 0.3s are, what is the value? 3 into minus 2.4 centimeters. So what is the focal length? Focal length is minus 2.4. Minus 2.4 centimeter. What does this mean? What does that mean? Tell me. Yes, it's a concave lens. So negative focal length per concave lens. So this is how you have to solve this question. We are supposed to find out focal length of lens. Focal length of the lens. What is the focal length of the lens? That's the question. So focal length is minus 2.4 centimeter. Okay, it's a concave lens. I hope it's clear. If you still have any doubts, please let me know. Okay, please write down your doubts in the comment section, and bye for now.